Hey everyone, today I'll tell you how to put money on Cash App card at ATM. It's very easy to do. Uh, First, ensure your Cash App account is fully verified. Activate your Cash App card and link it to your account. Link a bank account or debit card to your Cash App for seamless money transfer. Then find an ATM that supports cash deposits to your linked bank account. Many banks have dedicated ATMs for cash deposit. Then insert your bank card into the ATM and follow the prompts for a cash deposit. Place the cash in the deposit slot as directed by the machine. Confirm the amount and complete the transaction. Open the Cash App on your mobile device, tap the banking tab and select Add Cash. Enter the amount you want to transfer from your bank account to your Cash App balance. Then confirm the transaction and the funds will appear on your Cash App card. And that's it. That's how you can put money on Cash App card